Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mohamed talking about the positions of the letter غين. غصن موصول ولغة يروغ. غصن مغسول ولغة يروغ. In the beginning, it's connected from the left. In the middle, it has got two shapes. It's either written like that or written like that. In the middle. At the end, it could be written both ways and only connected from the right. If it's not connected, then it's not connected. It could be written like that or written like that. At the end, it's just غين. Again, غصن مغسول ولغة يروغ. This is it for the غين. See you in the next episode.